on a Dodge Charger. This is a 2014. I'm gonna get right into it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you is you're gonna first get this in the mail right here. Okay, let me take it off. You're gonna get your wing. You're gonna get a few of these plastic clips right here, okay? The plastic clips have a little nipple in each one of them. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take those plastic clips and you're gonna stick them in the holes that will later receive the bolts on your wing. After you've stuck them in there, you're gonna take your wing and you're gonna put it on the car the way you want it, okay? Once you have it in place the way you want it, you're gonna tape those down, which is where I'm at right now, okay? Now that these are taped down, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drill a hole right through those nipples, the nipple that went into the threads of the receiving unit on the spoiler. I'm going to drill an 1/8 inch hole through each one of those. Okay, there's 3 of them. That's going to be your pilot hole. After you get your 1/8 inch pilot hole, you're going to go ahead and drill, I believe, a 5/16 hole, but it'll say the size in your directions. After that's done, you just insert your bolts up from the bottom into the wing, and you are done. That's as fast as I can make it. Have a good day, guys.